This is the installation of the AVS harness trifold shoulder cover. To install, unvelcro it. The one wrap and loop side go to the outside of your harness. In this case, this is to the left. And this is my left harness flap. Place the center piece of Velcro, hook Velcro, on the underside and secure like so. This prevents it from falling off if you have it open. Next, grab your front torso carrier, fold the Velcro, and insert and Velcro down. And then close the cover, like so. This allows you to get easy access and readjust easily without having to slide back the stretch shoulder cover. Additionally, the attachment method is the same for the side release buckle shoulder strap that Crye makes. Fold in half, insert and adjust proper ride height, and then secure the cover, like so.